You happy flying, Moose?
I'm delighted, absolutely delighted.
Cool.
It's just a pleasant day.
Old Hoppy just put his aeroplane into the ground. Good.
They have to run, they hold the wings and run.
You've seen those YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Well, there's the road there. Yeah, you've got to hold up and toe. Let it. Well done, right? I like the run. Yeah, that was
Like a ruptured duck.
yeah. Well, better than President Biden run. Yeah. Yeah.
So you can feel it when you're running. You can actually feel it. It's like it's ripped.
Yeah. So, yeah. Whereas when you just chuck it.
Yeah, it's just zero to flow.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
It's hard to see, Mike. You hard to see that? Yeah. Looks like a real aircraft.
It's over there. Cheap, it's funny, so
You stay there all day.
go up to there. They go up 4 meters. Well, it's all
Well, bottom corner.
I'm surprised they didn't put poles in. See, poles are cheap, right?
Yeah.
3 metres is expensive. So you just come
climbing
in,
full
still
power.
playing, ding, 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 until they refuse and then you know,
Yeah.
they're dropping them. Away
Oh,
you go.
well, we didn't have any trouble.
Wow. That is good. Well,
Strip the top off and put a bit of sand on. No use putting this down and then coming back and digging it up and fix it.
between 16 and 18 June.
Oh.
And that's what they said to us.
See,
And it's only going to take
all
all
these last ones, they're just pro, bro. And some Americans.
My side
Leo Reeves, did you see that one or? It's not good with the white tack clouds.
Even with flaps and things like that.
They were supposed to come up here. How good is that?
Nose down.
Now taxi it back.
That's a fine looking machine. Through. Going to leave the camera running for a minute. We'll set the video and we'll lose the last one when I come back to the I'll take it out. We'll put it in the box of power sheets. Give me camera.
Yeah, man.
You got something loose in the back.
Oh, it's just stickers.
No, the other one.
Didn't want to go too well.
I think the gravity's not right.
Yeah, I think it's tail heavy.
Yeah, you got to push the battery.
What battery are you running in that? Prius. So I reckon that needs a 4S. I reckon?
It did seem a bit low on power.
Didn't it? It's just like, and back heavy is what it was too. Definitely back heavy.
I thought I had the manual on here, but I haven't. Still the old one. We can just as easily do it next time. Stop your firm round.
Hit my head this time, Kermit.
when you've got bits everywhere that makes it difficult.
Yeah.
So you know how the alarm went off, the low voltage alarm? It's like struggling for 2.7 odd volts in one cell. It's just like,
Yeah, that's what I use them now.
yeah, I find the Nanotech to be best. I'm going to get you one of those hats with a press tag. She's got some horsepower. You know that kind of system. Just above you guys.
Don't you go. Where's the money for coming through? I don't
It's
take...
in the bag, man. It's
Ah, he's a bag man.
Right to go, Kermit.
Yep,
Switch her on.
yep.
Pub with my mates.
700.
The catamaran went slowly.
670.
Is that Ralph?
Yep.
Keeping his distance nice, isn't it?
Well, he suddenly realised how big the bloody plane is. And he said, that's not like normal planes. They've got adaptive cruise control. He's giving up. Well, he's got a thermal. Too late.
Got full flaps, it's pulling the power up. Go round again.
Everyone's watching.
aerodynamics in the takeoff.
I worked it out. The screen on the laptop goes to sleep, and then the screen will come. Yeah.
It's not so bad. Weeks at the moment. But you need the old van back. You need the old van back. There's not much difference. Much bigger now? Sorry? Not much bigger.